As you'll soon learn in my Ninja BN701 review, power and versatility make this blender shine. You'll love the 1400 peak watts that crush ice effortlessly for smoothies and frozen drinks. The Auto IQ presets take the guesswork out of blending, with dedicated programs for smoothies, frozen drinks, and even ice cream. No more fiddling with buttons or timers. The total crushing blades are a game changer. They pulverize ice and frozen ingredients, ensuring your drinks are perfectly smooth every time. No more chunks of ice or fruit in your smoothies. The 72-ounce pitcher lets you make big batches for the whole family or for entertaining. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just pop the BPA-free parts in the dishwasher. With the included recipe guide, you'll find tons of inspiration for tasty creations. While it's on the pricier side, the Ninja BN701's power and convenience make it worth considering if you blend frequently. The preset programs in large capacity can save you time and hassle in the kitchen. You'll be amazed at what 1400 peak watts can do for your blending game. This Ninja powerhouse crushes through ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients with ease. The motor strength means you can whip up smoothies, frozen drinks, and even ice cream in no time. With 4 speed settings and 3 preset functions, you have full control over your blending experience. The Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of creating perfectly blended concoctions. Just press a button and let the blender do its thing. The 72-ounce pitcher gives you plenty of room to make large batches for family and friends. You'll love how the Ninja blender turns ice cubes into snow in seconds. Its total crushing blades are no joke. They pulverize ice effortlessly for silky smoothies and frosty drinks. The powerful 1,400 peak watt motor drives those blades to create a vortex that pulls ingredients down, ensuring everything gets thoroughly blended. No more chunky bits or half-crushed cubes in your beverages. Ever wished your blender could read your mind? The Ninja's Auto IQ technology comes pretty close. With just a tap, you can whip up smoothies, frozen drinks, or even ice cream. No more guesswork or babysitting your blender. The Auto IQ programs combine pulsing, blending, and pausing in smart patterns to do the work for you. You'll get consistently great results without hovering over buttons. This feature is a real time saver. While your blend is in progress, you can prep other ingredients or tidy up. The blender knows when to stop, so you don't risk over-processing. It's like having a sous chef dedicated to perfect blending. Whether you're a smoothie newbie or a frozen drink pro, the Auto IQ takes the hassle out of creating your favorite treats. Whip up smoothies for the whole crew with this Ninja's massive pitcher. You'll love the 72-ounce capacity. Perfect for family gatherings or meal prep. No more making multiple small batches. One blend is enough to serve everyone. The pitcher size doesn't compromise power. The 1,400 peak watt motor crushes ice and frozen fruit with ease. You'll get smooth, chunk-free results every time. Cleanup is a breeze too. The pitcher, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe. Just toss them in after use and you're done. Keep in mind the full 72-ounce capacity is for dry ingredients. For liquids, you're limited to 64 ounces. Still plenty for most families, but worth noting if you're planning huge batches. Now, let's look at the pros and cons. Powerhouse performance. With 1400 peak watts, you'll crush ice and blend tough ingredients like a pro. Auto IQ programs, smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream are just a button press away. Large capacity, the 72-ounce pitcher lets you whip up big batches for the whole crew. User-friendly, preset functions take the guesswork out of blending times. Easy cleanup, the dishwasher-safe parts make post-blend tidying a breeze. As for the cons, noisy operation. Like most powerful blenders, it can be pretty loud. Bulky size, the large pitcher might be tricky to store in smaller kitchens. Limited manual control. If you prefer full control over blending speeds, the preset functions might feel restrictive. Reading the Ninja BN701 reviews, you'll find plenty of happy customers raving about this Ninja blender. Many users love its powerful 1,400 peak watt motor. which effortlessly crushes ice and frozen fruit for silky, smooth drinks. The preset functions for smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream are a hit, taking the guesswork out of blending. Some folks mention it's quite loud, but that's expected with such a strong motor. The safety features get kudos too, especially from parents. A few users note it needs to be on a sturdy surface due to its strength. If you're tired of scrubbing your blender after every use, you'll love how simple it is to keep this Ninja blender spotless. The pitcher and blade assembly are dishwasher safe, so you can just pop them in the top rack and let the machine do the work. No more struggling with hard-to-reach corners or stubborn residue. For quick cleanups, you can even use the blender's power to your advantage. Just add a drop of dish soap and some warm water, then pulse for a few seconds, rinse, and you're done. The smooth plastic surface of the base wipes clean easily with a damp cloth. The removable parts also make thorough cleaning a breeze when needed. The Ninja Professional Plus really hits the mark for smoothie lovers and frozen treat enthusiasts. Its powerful motor and smart presets take the guesswork out of blending, giving you consistent results every time. You'll appreciate how easily it crushes ice and frozen fruits, creating velvety smoothies and frosty drinks in seconds. While it's a bit on the noisy side, the performance more than makes up for it. The large pitcher is perfect for family-sized batches, and the easy clean design saves you time in the kitchen.